Hey everybody, how are you doing? Happy New Year. And I am starting my new year on my channel with, well, you got it, Dollar Tree. What else would I be starting with? Guys, look at this bag. Is this adorable or what? I love it. You're just my type. Sending you love from far away. I absolutely think this is adorable. So I got that when I was buying my stuff. Okay, so with that, I also got this moss. Now you guys, the moss, this is a very good deal and I love the color. Okay, you know how sometimes they have more of the brown color or the vibrant green? Well, I really like this. For $1, I mean, you pay $3, $4, $5 at the craft stores, okay? So I got that. And I got some of these little grapevine decorative balls. Then, sometimes some of their wall art really is pretty. And I really like this. Our family is like branches of a tree. We may grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. I really, really thought, I love the saying, and I like the font and the way it's put, so I got that. Don't know yet how I'll display it, but I bought some of these hefty storage bags. I use these for crafts as well as, you know, my food. And for hefty, I mean, that's a good deal for $1, and you get 6 of them. So, and it's considered a trial pack. I don't care what it's worded. I'll buy it. I'll buy it for $1 for sure. I got some of these yellow roses, and these are so pretty. And these are going to be more for Easter. And then I'll bring these on into after Easter. Probably until, oh gosh, maybe July, August. I don't know. I think I'm going to be keeping yellow up because I am going to be doing my bee series because I didn't get to finish, and I got some things from my subscribers that I want to put out and show you. So adorable. Okay, and then the little red truck. Yes, we all are going to have the little red truck. I'm right on board with the rest of them. So anyway, I got one of these. And then I always, and if you follow me, you know that I always get socks, especially during the holidays from there. They're fun, they're $1, why not? So I got a pair of those. I also got one of their scarves. Now I will probably just wear this. This won't go into a DIY. I'll just wear it with a red shirt or a pink shirt or whatever, because it's very lightweight, so you can easily wear this if it's not very cold out. So I got one of those. Now I had a lot of pink roses, but I'm going to do a DIY with these particular pink roses. I bought these Puffy Hearts. These are so pretty. Now let me preface by saying I'm not a real big glitter person in my decor, but at Valentine's I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all during Valentine's. So I'm just fine, you know, with the glitter. It's okay. But these will go up, and this won't be a DIY per se. I'm just going to decorate with these. They also had these little roses, okay? And the reason I bought these, my granddaughter is a little actress, and she is in plays. And I always like to take her a flower. Well, I've taken her real flowers, and for a 4-year-old, she just thinks, oh, and you know, that's that. Well, with these light up, you guys. So if you have anyone in your family that does little plays, look at that. She's going to get a kick out of that. So I got a couple of them because she's going to be in a couple plays. How cute. So that's the reason I got these, and I may get a couple more just to have them on hand. Then I got these copper lights, and these are really pretty. And I think I'm going to put these into a DIY that I'm going to do for Valentine's. And I don't know if you can hear the wind. Here in California, we're having wicked winds right now. Bad enough to where it tore off a piece of my patio cover. I mean, they're pretty bad. Then I got a couple of these wire wreaths. And hearts you can use anytime. It doesn't have to be just Valentine's. So I got a couple of those. And you know, if you follow me, I always get my Sunbeam batteries. These work very well. And for $1, yes ma'am, I will buy them for $1 there. Got a couple more of these placemats. I have a couple already. These are going to go into my decor. These white roses, and these will go into my Valentine. And I also will use these. I'm sure I'll use these in Easter as well. But you guys, their roses are pretty. They really are. How they do this for $1 is beyond me, but I love it. And here's the other heart wreath that I got. Then I bought some of these just to place around, and I really like them because they're offset and they kind of lay. So this will just be a part of my Valentine decor. And then I got 2 more of those. I also got the red. I love this color, and I have a bottle that I got for Christmas for my decor, the red. I don't know if you remember it or not, but anyway, I bought this also, and this will go in my kitchen. I love when the sun hits it a certain way. Very, very pretty red. And 1 spool of the ribbon, and these it all kind of goes together. The way the heart is reminds me of these hearts. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, all right. Now you know that I love to make my faux desserts. And I'm hoping I can get this one done for Valentine's this year. It's going to be a little time consuming, but I really, really want to do it because when I found these at the Dollar Tree, I was like, oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Look, they have a little series, and just like the Christmas that they had their little people, you know, for displays, they have a sweet treat, and this is supposed to be an ice cream cone. Oh my gosh, are these going to be adorable with our cupcakes and cakes that we make for Valentine's and our ice cream? This doesn't have to be just for Valentine's, okay? You can display these. If you make the sweet treats, these can go perfectly. You ready? Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is supposed to be a table and chairs, and it's ice cream cones. Can you believe this? You guys, $1. Oh my gosh, I think these are adorable. And then they had these little, they're supposed to be like signs. And this is a lollipop. Well, I think candy cane's a lollipop and a balloon. The Little Fairy Garden series. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at these little, are these adorable? They're little sundae and cupcake liners with ice cream in them. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And then here's another one with the hearts and flowers and lollipops. And then look at the little fairies that go with it. One's holding an ice cream, the other one's holding a lollipop, and the other one's holding, I think, a balloon. You guys, this series, oh my gosh, if you can find it. And the reason I got it, and I'm so glad I did, because I went back the next day, nothing was there. And that's just the way of the world of Dollar Tree. And then I was getting everything out and I dropped this and I thought, no. So I got out the super glue and I glued this puppy as fast as I could. These are little lollipops and it's supposed to be a gate and this is supposed to be ice cream. So I got that. These are too cute. I'm going to put this back where I had it so the glue can really dry good. I am so thrilled over those little ice creams. And then I got this, and it's a ice cube tray, but I'm not going to use it for ice cubes. I'm going to use it for my air dry clay and plaster of Paris. And this is going to be a DIY. I had one somewhere. I don't know where it is. I'll find it after Valentine's. But nevertheless, I'll use this for my decor, but then I might on the other side do a DIY on this side of it. And I'll leave this side the way it is. I won't paint it or do anything, so I have two different decor pieces. I already have one of these from a couple years ago, but I got another one. Again, this will just go into my decor. And I'll do a home tour of my Valentine's. And I already have one of these, but I got two more because one will be for decor and the other one I'm using for a DIY. They had this in the welcome and the love. I just got the welcome, and I will probably take this apart and put it in my decor. And the last two things are things that you've been seeing from everybody, are the trucks. And these are pretty and they're quite large. I think they're adorable and they are going to work perfectly in my home decor. And like I said, I have a DIY plan for one of those. I also got the two different signs, Love Is All You Need. And I may do a DIY with one of these. And then Happy Valentine's Day with the bike. So guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you like this. Stay tuned for the DIYs that I will be doing for Valentine's Day. I'm going to put my playlist in the description box. And you can just click onto that playlist and it'll take you to a lot of the DIYs I've done in the past for Valentine's Day. Guys, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. Let's have a great New Year's, guys.